And the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority says more job opportunities await Filipino women overseas. These include jobs in welding, plumbing, and electrical maintenance. George Bandola reports.
The need for women workers doing technical jobs has been increasingly in demand abroad. Secretary Joel Villanueva of the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority says more and more employers now tend to employ women than men.
Isa sa nakikita rin natin yung parang mas committed, parang mas tinuturing nilang anak nila yung kanilang trabaho, mas pulido gumawa, mas committed at siguro yung work ethics ng mga kababaihan, no, malinis at yun yung madalas hinahanap.
Villanueva says the trend is that most Middle East countries are inclined to employ women doing men's job. That is why TESDA empowers women to take courses in welding, plumbing, electrical maintenance, air conditioning, and refrigeration aside from the regular hospitality courses. And even the women who are graduates of butchering have a great chance to land a job abroad.
Well, una gusto kong i-announce na tayong mga kalalakihan, hindi lang sumasang-ayon ngayon na ang mga kababaihan ay kaya na nilang gawin yung mga nagagawa natin, no? Dati kasi pang lalaki lang po yung welding, yung pong automotive technicians, etc. Pero ngayon ho, aaminin ko na ho sa inyo, mas mataas pa nga po yung demand, no, sa mga kababaihan natin na, for example, sa welding, mas mataas yung demand sa kanila. Itong huling kausap po natin na Placewell International Services na nangangailangan ng 4,200 women skilled workers in Dubai, talagang puro kababaihan yung gusto ho nila, no, na plumber, kababaihan na rack o yung refrigeration and air conditioning graduate ng TESDA. Yun pong electrical installation maintenance. Napakataas po ng demand ngayon yung mga kababaihan yan.
But Villanueva was quick to appease the men, saying that there are still a lot of countries and employers who are in need of muscles. These are the employers from logistics, cargo, shipping, construction, and hospitality. For People's Television, George Bandola.